This mission can actually shape the future of deep space travel, of which India has been a part. What a moment to be, and to be watching it real time. This is not 1984. We get to watch this in 2025. Here's a special report.
Aboard the Axiom 4 mission, Shukla did not just float among the stars, he carried India's flag, dreams and also cutting-edge science into space. For 18 days, Shukla turned the International Space Station into a floating Indian lab, leading a suite of breakthrough experiments, many crafted by the sharpest minds back home. One of his core missions was the myogenesis study, which tackled a long-standing challenge of human spaceflight, muscle degeneration in microgravity. By studying muscle stem cells, Shukla aimed to unlock answers critical to long-duration missions and even aging back on Earth. Then came a potential game-changer, the space microalgae experiment. Floating in the void, Shukla nurtured edible algae strains, compact, oxygen-generating and nutrition-rich. This would possibly be the food of the future for Mars-bound missions. And in a historic first, Indian crop seeds, methi and moong sprouted aboard the International Space Station. Through the Sprouts experiment, Shukla tested how life might grow beyond Earth, bringing sustainable space farming one step closer to reality. He also observed nature's toughest survivors. Tardigrades are microscopic life forms that thrive in the extremes. The Voyager Tardigrade project could help decode how life endures radiation, vacuum and freezing space. But the mission wasn't just physical, it was deeply human. With the help of VR and biometric tracking tools, Shukla studied cognition, cardiovascular function and mental resilience, asking what happens to the human mind and heart when Earth is just a blue dot in the distance. For India, this wasn't just a space mission. It was a giant leap for human spaceflight ambitions. The data, the trials, the triumphs all feed directly into ISRO's upcoming Gaganyaan program and India's long-term space station vision. Bureau Report, India Today.
Aboard the Axiom 4, astronaut Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla didn't just represent India, remember, it was as much about space